To check for the right thickness of the walls or the width of the walls, first come down here to turn on your O-snap. Make sure that's blue. And then next to it, the little triangle, pick that. And make sure midpoint and perpendicular are selected. Then you can pick out here in the black. Then in your home ribbon, all the way to the right over here under utilities, pick on the little triangle and go to distance. And I would zoom in and pick a point, whether it's the midpoint, and then pick the other midpoint of the line. And down below here, you should see this distance where it says 8 inches. So it's a good idea to check all the way around in this first quarter of the building before you start to mirror. So again, I will go to measure, distance, and pick a corner, and then you can pick perpendicular, then look down here to the distance. Okay? If you don't have this set up like this, you might have it set up like this. And if you have your dynamic input, it might look like that. And when you start to measure with the distance again, I'll just pick another point. As soon as you get up to it, you can see that it is telling you that it's 8 inches. Okay? And if you want to measure something with this off, then you can hold down the 2 little rows of dots there with your left button and move your mouse until it looks like that, and then lift up your finger. And so when you do measure something, again, distance, you look down here for the word distance. Okay, I hope that helps.